Hey everybody, it's Nathan Sherman with Libertas Real Estate, and I want to talk to you guys about home inspections. I've been seeing people waive home inspections in some of these contracts they're putting out there. And the thing is when you waive the home inspection, you are basically buying the property as is, and you're not really given a chance to really inspect the property and make sure it's in great shape. Also, if it's a really bad house, then you're basically stuck with a house and potentially losing some money if there's no other way to get out of the contracts. So do not waive your home inspection if you don't have to. I know right now the market is pretty competitive, but maybe just mention in there in the contract that you won't ask for any minor repairs. I mean, that's a good way to sit there and say, hey, this is my intention. I'm going to buy this house from you. I'm not going to ask for any minor repairs, but if anything big pops up, of course, I'm going to want to either have it fixed or I might have to back out of the property. Like, protect your butt. Like, that's the best way to go. But that's my recommendation. I really don't want you guys to be put in a pickle because of some advice that someone gives you that tells you to waive the home inspection. Cover your butt. Anyways, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.